Kitchen paint color ideas that are beyond gorgeous. This 100-acre farm and federal-style house, Clay Hill, home to jewelry designer Elizabeth Locke and husband John, deserved the very best color for its spacious kitchen. Working with designer Allison Martin, she settled on a very light patrician gray that complements the Victorian-age tiles and lyre-backed chairs. Gray and white are the preferred kitchen paint colors for design blogger Katie. Previous to that, her kitchen was a ponderously designed affair, complete with thickly grained wood cabinets and a large kitchen island made of manufactured veneer stone. Carrie Ann and her husband were living the fast-track life in a major metroplex, and they were deeply unhappy. The remedy was to buy a house in the country, which they christened Thistlewood Farms. Because Carrie Ann loves the style of gracious country estates, she went for a shabby chic look. This style extends to the kitchen's warm and creamy color, the perfect complement to her pure white bone china. When Essex, Vermont's Michael Minadeo Plus Partners was tasked with the job of designing a structure in Stowe, part of that project involved a kitchen that would be an aesthetic counterpoint to the building's natural wood. The light golden brown of the ceiling and window trim is well balanced by the matte black of the walls and kitchen cabinets. As a trend-setting interior designer, Susan Greenleaf is no stranger to bold moves. That's why, for her family's San Francisco home, she used a deep, rich gray plummet by Farrow & Ball for her go-to kitchen paint color. This moody gray plays well with the generous light that cascades through the large glass doors. With her kitchen's salmon pink walls and dated Tuscan tiles, Kate knew it was time for a major transformation. She easily could have spent tens of thousands on new cabinets, backsplashes, and countertops. Instead, she spent less than $200 on this fantastic kitchen-style remodel. And what was that miracle material? Paint, pure and simple. For a fantastic splash of kitchen color, design blogger Christy over at Addicted to Decorating chose a tasty, palatable teal for cabinets and white for the rest of the area. Feeling boxed in with her previous cave-like, heavy Kelly green, she was elated to change colors and pull her house together and make it more cohesive. Even though she had chosen that previous green and she did like it for a while, she says that the new teal completely has her heart. Changeling is the word you might use to describe decorating blogger Beth Bryan's new kitchen color. Not only was the kitchen changed from an unappealing yellow to a gorgeous light blue, Silver Sage, by Restoration Hardware, Beth reports that the blue itself transforms throughout the day. When it's cloudy outside, the paint becomes a warm green-gray color. When it's dark outside, the paint becomes a cool silvery gray color. Sherry and John's kitchen was too dark and heavy, so it was a perfect candidate for a fresh paint job. Naturally, white was the favored color to cure those depressing kitchen blues. White works in concert with tumbled marble tiles, quartz countertops by Cambria, and stock cabinets. Jen didn't want white to be her kitchen's only color, so she tweaked the style with a barely there gray for the walls, and aqua for the cabinets. This was her kitchen's third iteration. The first change was from brass and Corian to granite counters and rustic backsplashes. In the third remodel, she wanted something a little lighter and brighter, so she settled on this gloriously colorful palette. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.